still remember the rain. Before the money and the fame, it was the pain of making a living, but it wasn't the same. I was top billing, but it wasn't the same game. The hood was giving Cain, the gift of the say that made it vivid, the gift of a conscious brain. I was living inside of my own brain. To get specific, my don't explain. Part of my own race, the microphone say it's the human one, the one talking that shit to me, probably the stupid one. What to be done about this doobie I brung? The topic that shoot from tugs with the optic of shooter guns. Can't stop me, I'm too beloved. At a spot where Tupac be on the block where Huey spun. Would've got you with the 16 bars, like it's maximum. In fact, this one track I drop like I drop an axe. An actress run like London. Brimstone, ashes, and dumb guns. We on the up and up. In a mission, the team, and we can love enough to give back to the whole city. In the slum we from. Kept the razor right under my tongue. I'm numb, plus above the rim, like the rain when the thunder come. Call me Mr. Green Thumb, lighting that green up, kinda unique, bruh. The funny thing about the rain, precipitation only comes when it's gassing up. Gaseous with the substance, and gaseous with the numb nugs. As I burn liquid swords to ashes, and then bone rush above average when I hit the mattress. My mattress, the magic one. I'm only gonna ask you once. I'm past 2 fucks, and I could ask to give one. When I'ma ask you to give it up, and then pass the mic to son. My last rhyme on the drums make you question your character. Rain over me, my love. Rain over me, my love.
Yeah. So day to day I sit and wait for the rain to come and wash the pain away like Novocaine. But all that I get is the wind that fans the flames. We may be made of the same parts, but we are not the same. We're not playing, this is not a game. Cause we are not playing, this is not a game. So day to day I sit and wait for the rain to come and wash the pain away like Novocaine. But all that I get is the wind that fans the flames. We may be made of the same parts, we are not the same. Cause we are not playing, this is not a game. We are not playing, this is not a game. Until we're in the back of these hearses, we'll continue to disperse these verses like curses. Watch as I get fancy as fuck like I spit it in cursive, only to get their attention while supervillain be grabbing their purses. This is the age of the purges, but to stay off the street sweet. But yet I'll introduce your feet to a solid block of concrete at the bottom of the sea. And best believe I'ma eat from the bottom to the top of the feet. You'll never be beat if you can learn from defeat. I learned not to get burned by the heat, but harness its power. Stay blazing the flour, diesel mixed with some sour. All I see is some clams with no chowder. You're like a Corvette with a V4, looks nice, but you ain't got no power. In other words, fake as fuck. Step up to the mic, you get devoured and shot out the other end. Destroy the evidence and set my sights on your whack-ass friends. Your face only depends on your own actions. You show respect, you can eat at our table, if not end up tragic. You'll disappear like magic, missing a Johnson. Never missing a shot like Bronson. Flow colder than Wisconsin. Right before the new year, I knew you was a bitch the second you showed fear. So shut the fuck up, stay quiet, or grab me a beer. The end is near. All I can say is no shit like constipation. We'll continue to follow our dreams while you continue to be slaves for hourly wages. I could never read the script, so I decided to write my own pages. So these words will live forever like they were ageless. Yeah, forever. Day to day I sit and wait for the rain to come and wash the pain away like Novocaine. But all that I get is the wind that fans the flames. We may be made of the same parts, we are not the same. We are not playing, this is not a game. Cause we are not playing, this is not a game. So day to day I sit and wait for the rain to come and wash the pain away like Novocaine. But all that I get is the wind that fans the flames. We may be made of the same parts, we are not the same. Cause we are not playing, this is not a game. We are not playing, this is not a game. Yeah. Forever. AJC on the beat.